Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to circle crop a photo in Photoshop or two method. Apply method on. First of all, input or insert any image or photo. Open folder, find your image. Find this image, click and drag it. Press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Hold Shift, resize small and click the selection tool, right click on your mouse, click elliptical marquee tool, click here, then hold shift, click and drag it. Kuma. Hold shift, click and drag it or fix size. Layer mask. Use stroke or do not use stroke. And step 2, method 2. I already insert this shape, circle shape, then apply the same formula. Click the layer image, right click on your mouse, create clipping mask. Thanks for watching video.